through the day! Watch the backsplash, good pressure. This rust is coming off clean now. Keep at it, almost done with this section. Looks good. This is thick, decades of grime. Yeah, but the suction's working. Keep it steady. This is smoothing out nicely. Yeah, keep going. The finish looks great. Almost done with this section. Hit that corner harder. On it. Good, now the one on the left looks clean. All right, team, steady on the ropes. Crane, begin lowering. Copy that, ropes are tight. Good, bring it down. Coverage looks good on this beam. Roger that, moving to the next joint. Check the mist level, it's fine. One, two, three! Steady now, slide it onto the bed. Easy does it. Okay, team, let's align the verticals. Clamping now, secure. Good, next section. Hold it steady. Got it. Turning down. Almost there. Line. Lock it in.
Tensioning cable section B12. Stand clear. Copy. Hydraulic pressure. Locks engaged.
Level this section now, watch the grade. Pipes aligned, bringing gravel. That pressure going through. All right, lift it steady.
Copy. Lifting now.
Watch your alignment.
Good. Secure it.
Easy now, keep it level. Got it, holding steady. All right, lock it in. Team A, beam is steady. Proceed to weld. Copy, arc is live. Welding now. Good contact. Monitor sparks. Panel secure. Ready for wiring.
Wiring's done.
Running the test now.
Signal is clear.
Securing the last joint now. Ready for the test. Flow is good. No leaks. Looks solid. Securing the last joint now. Ready for the test. Flow is good. No leaks. Looks solid. Panel alignment is off. Check hydraulics. On it! Pressure is nominal. Ready for test. Extending there. Lock it. Panels aligned, secure it. Drilling now. Looks good. Wiring set, ready to calibrate.
Let's show them what we've got. Stay focused, team. Incredible atmosphere.